Beautiful.
Mirror, who's the fairy?
Honey, it's me.
Like me, you look, I still didn't pick a guy.
It's Nia, the one and only. Okay. Period. Hey guys, it's Nia B, and I'm back with another video. So, this video I'm going to be doing a hair review / tutorial on how I've been styling my wig. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should be following me on Instagram, I will leave that information below in the details box, or in the description box. I've been wearing this wig for like the past week or so, which explains why I have this bonnet on, because my braids are underneath this and I look like a slave. So I just wanted you guys to see the bonnet before y'all saw the braids. Anyways, I'm just gonna give you guys a review on the hair first. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. They sent me 4 bundles of their loose wave hair. I believe it's 224 inches and 222 inches. Never had this type of length before, so hunty, I was acting brand new, okay? The hair is like super pretty. I had it for about a week now and haven't washed it yet. So this is how it looks after a week with no washing, straight from the box, haven't done anything, and it still looks really nice and full. So like I said, it's 4 bundles. They also sent me a 13x4 closure, I want to say. It is a silk closure. What I will say about silk closures, it's really hard for them to blend in with the scalp, so I would definitely recommend ordering a lace closure over a silk closure. However, the wig, I call her, her name is Sheila. She real cute, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She got a little attitude or whatever. Yeah. So whenever Sheila goes on the head, girl, I'm a new person. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply this wig. I did not make this wig. Let me tell you guys that first. I did not make this wig. My friend Mitch, aka I'm a hair physician. If you're located in Tallahassee, Florida, you know who I'm talking about. He made this beautiful wig for me, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. However, I am ready for my natural hair to come back out, because ladies and gentlemen, it is way too hot to be having 4 bundles of 22, 22, 24, 24 on your back. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I apply this wig. So I'm about to take off my bonnet. Y'all finna see my Harriet Tubman braids.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so my hair has been braided down for at least like a week now. It's time to take these braids out, honey. Time for them to go, okay? So when I like to apply my wig, first I like to apply an oil to my hair. I've been using this Wild Growth hair oil. Apparently it's supposed to make your hair grow like a lot. So I'll be doing a review on this and just making sure I'm keeping track of the hair growth and how long my hair has grown since I started using it. I've been using it for at least a month now, and I just like to apply that in little spots of my hair. And then I also like to apply it on my edges. People say, you know, when you put glue on your edges, you won't have any more. Well, honey, not today. Because I'm gonna have edges after today. That's it's not even a question. I'm gonna have edges after today. So I like to add oil to my edges before I add the glue. And the glue that I'll be using today is the one and only Got to Be. Hello. Got to Be glue, styling, spiking glue, water resistant, screaming hold, nigga. Ooh. My bad, y'all. I didn't mean for that to come out. Screaming hold. Spike, grip, and chunk. Yes, gotta love it, gotta love it. And then I like to apply my wig using a toothbrush, or not the wig, but the glue using the toothbrush. Give me a second, a little bit thirsty. Promo. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Oh, God dream. Yes, bless the Lord. Babes and Bibles. Oh, a mug by Babes and Bibles? Babes and Bibles? What is that? You guys, we have merchandise coming out. If you don't know what Babes and Bibles is, I'll be doing another video on Babes and Bibles and how you guys can get involved with Babes and Bibles. Yes, very refreshing. Okay. So I'll apply the Got2b to my toothbrush, and I really just be applying that, not a little on my edges, but not really on them, just over them, because you don't want your wig to go exactly where your hairline is. You kind of want it to go above it a little. So I'm just adding it to where I want my wig to sit. Alright, so after I've added my glue to a little past my hairline, I will go ahead and blow dry it. To blow dry it for too long. Sorry guys, I'm turning my wand on because I'm about to wand it a little bit. Now I'm not wanding the entire head, that's too much. But I need to bring some life to my hair. And so once you've already blow dried it, it's just time to put the wig on. Okay. And then you're just gonna position it to where you want that wig. I like it sitting right there. And normally I would go ahead and add like some concealer to try and make it blend in, but today it's actually today it actually looks kind of good. Hello, hello hairline, hello. If I don't feel like it's secured, I'll go ahead and I'll blow dry it down too. Just so I can make sure that the glue is dry. You guys got that last part because somebody was calling me and I had no idea. Yeah, so basically what I did was I took a scarf and I wrapped it around my hairline to make sure that it stays and that the glue stays in place. And now I will go in with bonding my hair. I just take like random pieces, honestly.
On the beat.
Oh, we have finally finished bonding our hair. Like it took forever because it didn't. I hate when it takes forever because what I didn't tell you guys is I have class at 12:30. It's now 12 o'clock. Yes, I did a lot to make this video happen. So also with this hair, it does like little shedding. Like when I first got it, it did not shed at all. The bundles were super thick. It's super shiny. Honestly, I really love this hair and I'm obsessed with it almost. I'm just excited and I need to fix this bang. I really love about the hair. And if you guys are interested in purchasing some for yourself, I will leave their website link as well as their Instagram in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. Thanks guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I will leave the Instagram and the website link to this hair in my description box if you guys are interested in purchasing some for yourself. And alright guys, well, it is a wrap.
Or would you rather move with Don Pablo? Work hard just to get her back.
What?
Work hard just to get her back.